Crazy 7-car pileup, San Antonio, Texas.
Military exit right here. There's a major accident that just happened right here. People can't see it. It's really dark out here. Oh, this guy just hit another one. Oh, yo. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm on the highway. Someone just hit another car right here. There's a pileup on the highway right here. Fuck. I don't know. I gotta get. I'm scared. Hold on. People are still coming. People are still hitting these cars. I don't know, sir. This is bad, sir.
Stay somewhere safe, sir. Stay somewhere safe.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out of the way, sir. I'm trying to get out of the way. People can't see. Military exit right here. Yeah, this is bad. There's like 7 cars at least. Oh my gosh. Are you guys okay?
You wanna meet in the gas station, man? Clear this up.
Why she just hop in the front of the car?
She don't want nobody to hit us, man.
You said what?
She don't want nobody else to hit us. Like, I don't want to ram into you.
No, we know you just ran into me for sure.
Stop! It's hit and run. Stop!
Oh man.
What can I give you, man? It's just a scratch. What I can give you?
Cool.
Like $40, $60.
Like your name and everything, though, bro.
Can you say she was driving?
Bro, I just saw y'all. I ain't lie. Y'all been recorded, bro. I know it's God because the police ain't came, but I called the police ain't came.
Hey, police passed. Like, I swear, didn't they pass?
But listen, though, bro, I just want you to know Jesus love you, bro, and it's a reason.
Know, man.
Listen, bro, it's a reason you're here today. Listen, I'm gonna tell you.
Bad, man.
Listen.
I'm gonna lie to you.
I promise it's gonna be a homeless man or somebody on the corner on one of these lights. Go give him $5 or something. That's what you can do for me, bro. Y'all be safe, man.
Around the mountain when I come, crazy flamboyant for the rapping treatment. My planet.
Frankly, getting out of town is probably a good idea. Soon, the strip malls and box stores and schools turn to...
Stand. Consider smashing my shoe into his skull until I shattered it, then tracking the remains of his brain matter.
So now, what you're seeing is people flashing, warning me of incoming vehicle in the northbound lanes headed south. Now I'm flashing my headlights, trying to get this vehicle to stop, and I'm slowing down. I switched lanes to avoid him, and he switched lanes with me. So I quickly get off the road, and sure enough, he passes me doing 60 miles an hour. Bear in mind, I was doing 60, and if I would have hit him head on, we both would have been dead.
Bravo 11, Bravo 1, he looked like he was slumped over in the driver's seat.
Oh, gosh. God bless it. Bravo 1, 41.
Are you for real right now? Hey, so you.
There might be a slight vendetta.
Oh, is it because it's oil class? What
Yeah.
the f, dude? Okay.
Where's he going now?
Just tell me you hit something.
No, he just went right.